Alright guys, let's go ahead and talk about this new target. We're calling this one the Mote Group Pistol Orbital. Obviously it being a pistol drill. Just like all our other targets, we'll left you plenty of space around the border when you print it out for your tape, glue, or staples. Along the top, we still have our repeatable and measurable data recording. This one's going to be a hit and time. It'll be a total of 18 rounds, par time of 35 seconds. Obviously the date and the shooter for your records are on there as well. With this one, we're concentrating on the pistol fundamentals, but also kind of sifting through the chaos, so to speak. So the way this one's going to be ran, as it states, from the 3-yard line, and if you want to make it challenging, you can scoot it back even further, or if you're a newer shooter, go ahead and move in closer. Start at any circle. Round count is dictated by the number within the circle. Follow the line in any direction until you arrive back to your starting circle. So how this is going to work, when the buzzer goes off, you'll draw, and let's say you're going to start at the 2 here. So you'll put 2 rounds in that circle. From there you have a decision to make. You can either move off to the right or move to the down. So let's say I'm going to put 2 rounds here. I'm going to move down to the 1. I'll put 1 round there. Then follow the line. Follow the direction it's leading me. 2, 1, 1. Now we come to a 3 and it says 3 and reload. So what I'll do is I'll shoot 3 rounds and then reload and then move on from there. Now, some of you, they have ranges where they won't let you perform speed reloads or actually do fast cadence of shooting. So for you guys out there, you may have to change this up a bit, but just do what you can. Shoot 3 rounds and then move on if you're not allowed to do so. So from there, 1, 2, 3, follow it around until you come back to your starting circle. From there, look and see what your hits are, record that data, and obviously look and see what your time is. Record that data as well. So, like I said, key fundamentals here. You need good trigger control, good sight alignment, sight picture, and good grip. All that stuff's going to come into play when performing this drill. When you're looking through the circles, look with your eyes, then bring the sights into where you're looking, okay? So this is a pretty good drill to point out some of the mistakes you may have after the reloads. If you notice your shots are getting pulled, like I tend to do, then you know it's a grip issue. After you reload, you need to take a couple extra seconds to get that grip set back in so you can get good accurate hits. Another great thing about this drill is you can print it off and run it this way, or if you get tired of running it this way, you could turn it sideways and it becomes a completely new directional drill in how you want to run it. Conversely, upside down, or you can run it sideways the other way, and again, it's a completely different drill every time you run it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go set this up, and we're going to go shoot it for the first time and see how we do. Alright guys, so we'll put this target up here. Okay. Back to the 3. Par time is set at 35. Okay. Got my reload. So again, pick any circle that you want to start at, and then from there you follow the round sequence, and then you have to make a decision on which line you're going to take. For example, if I decide to start at this guy, I can either go to the 3 and reload, or I could go down to the 2 and then work my way around. So you have to make a decision. You have to make it fairly quickly, and then follow the sequence and instructions. All right, here we go. All right. Ran out of rounds on that last one. 26-16. But we'll count that last one as a miss. since I ran out of rounds there. Didn't load enough. I apologize for that. So let's take a look here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pulled that one, 6, 7, I'm not going to give that, so I'm not going to give myself that one. 7, missed this one. That one was way off, pulled that bad. Got 3 hits here, the reload, and I will not give myself that one. Give myself that one, and that's a miss. So let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 out of 18. My time was 26:16. And again, that's without that last shot. Today's date, 4/24. So again, I had plenty of time. I had about 10 seconds. I could have slowed it down and gotten some of these shots a little bit better, especially ones like these. There's really that's a pretty bad miss in my book. So hope you guys enjoyed the drill.